to explore the royal tombs in Hue. I'm currently at one called Tuduk Tomb. It was the emperor that ruled for the most amount of time during the Nguyen dynasty in the 1800s. It's a the tomb itself. It was originally used as a second royal palace, and then after he died, he was eventually buried here, and it's now open with a lot of fancy buildings and temples and things like that, where people can come and worship the emperor and his wives and things like that. We're checking out this one first, and there's two other ones that I'm going to go have a look at after this. I'll show you those when I get there. Is the Kaidin tomb. It's completely different style to the last tomb, but it's pretty cool building. The inside of the actual tomb is like got this really cool mosaic all over the walls, and yeah, it's really quite spectacular. The view from the top of the stairs is really awesome too, looking out over the mountains. So got one more tomb that I want to go and have a look at. So there's actually a bit of a storm rolling in. You can hear thunder coming in all around us. So it's only about 5 k's down the road, so hopefully I can get out to it and have a look before the weather really rolls in. The Imperial Tombs of Hue. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to head back to Hue before I get absolutely drenched by this storm, I think. Catch you guys next time.